Hey guys, LechK here at my sauna. I want to talk about the ice bath and how to keep your water clean. I just did a video on how to keep it cold in the summer months. I was doing the ice thing, just doesn't work. So I did a whole cooler setup, but I have a video on that. I'll put a link. That's not what this is about. This is about keeping this water clean. This water is about 3 or 4 weeks old now, and we did just have a heat wave. It is late June right now, 2024. So this water has been cooking, and we've been using a decent amount, at least every morning, a couple sauna sessions. But this is the stuff or anything similar that you can use to keep it clean, and we're going to test it out in a second. This is for hot tubs, but they say you can use it for ice baths as well. You do want some kind of pump running to move the water around, which we do. I'm also going to install a filter, so once I do the filter and this, it will obviously be a better setup. And at some point we're going to do a whole insulated box for this, so it looks nicer. It's insulated from heat and cold and all that, right? But this is for pools, hot tubs, stuff like that. Read the directions and take all the safety precautions while I'm wearing gloves, glasses as well. They say use 4 ounces for 500 gallons and then 2 ounces after that on a weekly spa regimen. So since we have a 100-gallon tub here and technically maybe 80 gallons of water in it, we are going to be using less than an ounce for the first round, and then probably half an ounce for following weeks and so on. Got a 2-ounce shot glass, so I'm going to use half of that. And we have, I just turned on my cooler, so we'll give it a go, see if this changes. But I do plan to change this water and just use the fresh water as well, as I feel like a month during the summer is more than enough. Yeah, I said less than an ounce. So we'll pop that in there, let the pump move it around and so on. Wait a few hours or maybe till the morning, see if this clears up. If it doesn't, they say add more. But like I said, I want to change this water, clean out all this gunk anyway, and then we'll do a fresh setup. So I'll show you guys both ways and we'll see what kind of results we get. And then in coming days, I'll do the filter setup and we'll see how that works as well. So I gave it about 30-40 minutes or so. The water does look cleaner definitely than when I started. So the stuff does seem to work. I mean, the water itself is not even that dirty. It's pretty clear now. It's just all the gunk in it. So I'm going to drain it, get nice fresh water in here, clean all the sides of the walls, and then we'll add this again to the fresh batch and see how the water holds up. And to get all the big particles out, I'm going to do the filter setup soon, so stay tuned for that video, guys. But ready, we got fresh water going in. I'm gonna pop an ounce or so, and I'll fill this up, about 80 gallons or so, and we're gonna wait a few days, see how it's looking, and I'll give you guys feedback, which will be in a few seconds for you. Stay tuned. Okay, so I gave it a few days, and we did have a big thunderstorm the other day also, so this was all filled up with rainwater as well. But honestly, the water's staying pretty clear, guys. So this stuff is working, except, you know, any debris, but keeping the water clean, it's doing the job. So I'm happy with this. So that's going to conclude this video. Seems to be working fine. I'll do a follow-up in my filter video, but after a week or so, the water's still clear. So using this every day, that's a big plus. So, you know, now I can make my water last probably a month or so before I change it. But now I'll be installing this filter, so I'm going to do a follow-up video how to do a whole filtration system for your ice bath. It's inexpensive, probably $60-70. Weber brand. I love that brand. They make some solid stuff. So far, everything I have from them has been lasting. So, like the name says, tough tools. Half the price. I would say that's about right. Anyway, thank you guys. Stay tuned. More to come. Sauna build and all that.